guys, today I want to talk about a very important aspect of product research, and that is verifying demand. Often when people talk about selling on Amazon, they'll talk about new ideas or inventions that they've got, or things that they can't see on Amazon currently and want to sell those. Generally, we recommend against this, as it's taking a big gamble on whether or not that product will sell. Instead, we recommend you find products that are already selling well on Amazon and sell those. Perhaps make a little twist or bundle it with another item in order to make yours different from the rest. So that's why verifying demand for a product is a really important factor in your product research. So how do you do this? Well, there's one bit of information that Amazon offers us to help with this. It's called the bestseller rank, or the BSR. Every product has a rank within its own category that ranks items from number 1, which is selling the most products, and so forth. Based on this bestseller rank, you can then determine an estimate of how many products are selling on that listing. At Jungle Scout, we've created a free sales estimator. All you do is select the category of that product, which you'll find under the product information, then enter the bestseller rank of that product, which you'll also find in the product information section. Keep in mind that you need to use the rank from the parent category. A lot of products will also display ranks in subcategories, so make sure to grab the parent category rank. Put that number in, hit enter, and you'll receive a monthly sales estimate for that product. That's a free option you can choose. We've also developed a Chrome extension which can save you time in this process by analysing entire search pages at once, displaying sales estimates and a lot of other valuable data as well. If you're interested in checking this out, head over to junglescout.com. So once you've got these monthly sales estimates, how do you know what is good demand and what isn't? Well, what we like to shoot for is at least 3,000 monthly sales combined in the top 10 listings. This translates to an average of 300 sales per month. At 300 sales per month, that's about 10 sales per day. And if you can be getting $5 to $10 profit on each unit, that's $50 to $100 profit every day. So you can go through the top 10 listings manually, copying the BSR over to our free sales estimator to get all 10 estimates. Or you can use the Chrome extension and it will present you this information in one clip. Now that you've got a combined sales estimate of 3,000 per month, then you want to look at the depth of that market. So imagine that listings 1 and 2 have 1,200 sales each, and then the other 8 have 75 sales each. This would be an example of a product that doesn't have much depth. This would mean that even if you rank on page 1, unless you're ranked number 1 or 2, then you're still not going to get many sales. Ideally, what you're looking for are those sales spread out more in the top 10 listings. That way you can be more certain that you will receive sales if you can get your product onto page 1. Usually the top 1 or 2 listings will have more sales than the others, but you don't want this to be too unbalanced. Now, beyond Amazon's bestseller rank, you'll also want to look at things like seasonality. You might find a product that has good demand today, but what you don't know is whether those sales will be constant throughout the year or whether people are just buying them during certain periods. The tool we'd recommend for this is Google Trends.
Let me show you how it works. Okay, Pumpkinhead. So you'll see with this one that there's a consistent spike in search traffic every October around Halloween. So what you would say about this search term is that it's very seasonal. So if this were the product that you were looking to sell, then this graph would tell you that this product is quite seasonal and that for the other 11 months of each year, there's very little traffic. So consistent spikes like this are a good way to tell if your product is seasonal or not.
To further verify whether this demand is seasonal or not, we'd recommend tracking this data over time. What I mean by this is to take those monthly sales estimates that I went through earlier and repeating this process every day for at least 1 to 2 weeks. Sometimes sellers will run discounted promotions on their products, which will temporarily boost their bestseller rank. This then inflates the sales estimates that we give you, and you don't want to make a business decision off the wrong data. So if you get those sales estimates every day for 1 to 2 weeks, then you'll be able to see whether this product does consistent sales or not. It's all about reducing as much risk as possible and becoming as accurate as possible in terms of the demand. If you want an easier solution, Jungle Scout has a product called the Web App, which includes a tool called the Product Tracker. This will simplify the process of tracking products over time and can even give you real sales data as opposed to estimates. Again, head over to junglescout.com if you'd like to check this out. So that covers how to verify demand for your product research. The next step is to amass a long list of products and then run through these steps to verify the demand. I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you'd like to see others like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.